the concept for the 4th of July tree. I already have these grapevine garlands that I have cut into just circles that I put on here for the lemon tree. This really helps give the tree a bigger shape and gives the floral pieces something to kind of lay on, since tree doesn't have a lot of branches, and it kind of helps hide the Christmas tree part of it all. So I'm gonna leave those on, and I have some hydrangeas that I use in my Christmas decor. Then I showed y'all these. I love these that I got at Michael's. And then I have some more red and blue and white flowers to incorporate. And I'm gonna see how this ribbon does. And then I have some flags. So I don't know that the flags will go in the tree. And I also have some stars. We'll see how this turns out. But there's the concept. First off, I'm gonna go adding in my hydrangeas, and I'm just using the grapevine garland that I showed you here as support for the stems. It kind of holds the tree together and gives you a little bit of a frame to work with. Now I'm adding some of the smaller flowers, the blue and then the red. I'm starting to add those in to give it some color. So far so good, but here's a quick tip, another quick tip. I bought these flowers. They were categorized as a bush, and I'm breaking them apart. I'm using my wire cutters and just making them into stems, and that way I can spread them out and get a little more bang for my buck. All right, I'm spreading that red pop of color around the tree, and now I'm gonna go fill in the holes with my greenery. I have some magnolia leaves and some eucalyptus stems that I'm going to use to really give the tree some volume that's going to hide the Christmas tree part of it all. I also had some little white flowers that go well with the large white hydrangeas, and I'm putting in my cute ornaments, of course, those bomb firecracker ornaments from Michael's. And then I put some ribbon at the top. I made some cute little bow picks and spread those throughout the tree and put in the stars. And finally, my final touch was adding the flags to the top of the tree. Loved how it turned out. This tree was a super fun take on a patriotic 4th of July holiday tree, and a pedestal tree is a great place to start for a fun seasonal Christmas tree.